We call this Ahihia Ogwu. It's a popular traditional medicine which we use for making soup for a new mom, at least from day 1 to 6 months. But it's popularly known as Aju Mbaise. Yeah, the world knows it now as Aju Mbaise. This has become so popular because a lot of people use it now for weight loss journey, especially women cook it as tea and drink. But today I'm going to share with you how we make soup with this Aju Mbaise or Ahihia Ogwu. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video I'm going to share with you how to cook delicious soup with Aju Mbaise or Ahihia Ogwu. The first thing I'm going to do is to wash this thoroughly in a clean water. After washing it very well, I'll then transfer into my cooking pot and add enough water to it. I'll then cover and cook this for about 30 minutes or until it boils very well and brings us its color. It has a very dark brown color. When you get that, you know that the ogwu is well cooked or the Aju Mbaise is well cooked. So while that is cooking, I'll prepare the protein I'm going to use. I'll be using goat meat, but you can use cow meat or any other type of meat you have or you prefer to make this soup. It goes very well with cow meat anyway, but I'm using goat meat. After about 25 to 30 minutes, it is ready. The miracle water or Ofe is ready. That Aju Mbaise water, the tea is ready, because at this point you can scoop this one and drink. But we are not just making tea, we are not making tea, we are cooking soup with this. So I'm going to divide this, take the quantity I'm going to use for soup, and we continue with our soup making. Ofe Ogwu, our issue Ofe Ogwu. You can also reuse this Aju Mbaise for about 2 times. You can cook it again, it will still bring out this kind of color. I've taken the quantity I'm going to use to cook our Ofe Ogwu, so the rest I will drink as tea. Here I have my stock fish and a dry fish. Just add any fish, any meat you want to use. I'm also adding my already cooked goat meat. Use any meat of your choice, like I said. I'll also go ahead and add some peppers, seasoning cubes, salt, and the crayfish. Just add whatever you use in cooking your soup except palm oil, because we are not using palm oil for this soup. This soup is oilless soup. I'll mix everything together and then go ahead and add my cocoyam. I'm using cocoyam powder. If you're using fresh cocoyam, you can also pound, blend, and add it at this point. I just used water to dissolve the cocoyam powder and added it here. So I'll cover my pot and allow this to cook for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, the cocoyam would have dissolved very well. We can see that the cocoyam is dissolved, the fish is cooked, everything is well cooked. So I'll stir this and then test for salt or other seasonings or whatever needs to be added. And the purpose of this soup, we don't make it thick, we make it light. The cocoyam I added is just to make it, give it a little bit of a thickness. Is it thickness or heaviness or weight? Okay, weight. Give it a little bit of weight, not to make it thick, because normally we use spoon, or the new mom uses spoon to eat this or to enjoy this soup. So I added a little bit of pepper again because the pepper in it wasn't enough. I have some dry prawns, I added that, and a little bit of salt and a crayfish. I'll stir this again, cover it and allow it to cook for maybe 2 minutes before we go in with our vegetable. 2 minutes later, it is time to add our vegetable. I'm using oziza for this, but you can also use angara, that is garden egg leaf, akwukwo ofe. You can also use oha leaf for this. I'm mentioning the things we use in making this soup. Yes, I grew up with my mom and I learned very well from her. And this soup tastes so good. It smells so good here. If you're in my kitchen, you'll be salivating. And I'm sure you can even salivate from your screen. Oh, don't mind me. I'll just allow the uziza to cook for about 2 minutes again, and our soup is ready. Our Ofe Ogwu is ready. So if you're a new mom, you can visit me. You will enjoy this soup. It helps the breast milk to flow very well, and it also helps to flatten the belly. Yes, it helps to flatten the belly. And whether you're a new mom or not, you can also enjoy this soup. It is very rich and delicious soup. Another thing is that we enjoy this with fufu apple. So, but you can enjoy this with any swallow or fufu of your choice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please, and also share the video. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye. Treasure kitchen where joy is found.